Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So today I wanted to talk to you about files. No, not that kind of files. I was going to say files and rasps in woodworking and guitar building. But now you ruined it. Intro. Okay guys, so this video was like a review, discussion and suggestion. As I said before, today I'm going to be talking about files and rasp, whether regarding woodworking and in this case guitar building. But first, a little disclaimer. All these products that you are going to see in this video, I have purchased them myself with my own money. With that said, let's start with the first set. These are the Iwasaki files. Now, some people call them files, some people call them rasp. Technically, the name Iwasaki is the translation from Japanese to English as carving files. The big difference regarding these files or rasp from the traditional wood rasp is that these files have tiny little small blades, like small wood planes that shave out the wood that is being worked on, rather than traditional rasp that breaks down the wood. And this method leaves a really nice finish. Now, these come in various sizes and grades. Here I have one flat big and half round. These are a fine cut. And here I have two little ones, but these are extra fine. I have a flat one and a half round. I usually end up using only these two because they are small and leave a really nice finish. They are exceptional good when it comes to neck carving. I bought 4 with the idea of removing material with these two and then finishing up with these little ones. As I said, I mostly end up using these two because sometimes these two are replaced with this little baby. This is a Shinto saw rasp, and when it comes to material removal, this one wins over these. So this is not like a conventional rasp. The teeth on this rasp are made of small sawtooths. One, it's a coarse one, and the other side is really a fine pitch. And as I said, this is very good in removing material, even to flatten a surface if you have an uneven surface, and even leaves a very nice finish. Regarding the Iwasaki files, in my opinion, these are premier tools with a budget price tag. If I remember correctly, the small ones are around 17 euros, 20 something dollars, and the big ones were around 23 to 25 euros. You can find them if you're in the US. I believe StuMac sells these files, maybe with a different handle. And if you're in Europe like me, you can find these. What I know, Crimson UK sell these files, and you can buy them as well from a German website, finetools.de, where I bought this set, and if I'm not mistaken, from there is the cheapest price I could find regarding these files. Even the Shinto rasp, I bought this from finetools.de, and you can buy this as well from a website, toolsfromjapan.com. But still, from finetools.de it was the best value. Again, if you're looking for some premium files or rasp, and you're on a budget, these are the tools you need to check out. Again, they're fast, they leave a very nice finish, and that is my opinion and review and what I'm suggesting for you guys. So for today, that's it. I see that my camera is almost running out of battery. I hope you enjoyed this little review and maybe I answered some of your questions if you were looking for some tools. Until the next time, take care and bye bye.